A running Cadillac for $1,500, a classic Mustang for just over $3,000, and a Firebird listed for only $1,000? Let's take a look at 15 affordable classic cars for sale that might surprise you. Car number 1, 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible, $1,000. We're starting with an unusual listing from Louisville, Kentucky. This 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible is listed for only $1,000, but the description is extremely limited. The seller mentions a set of Pontiac wheels, lug nuts, and brand new tires. Because there isn't much information available, anyone interested should definitely take a closer look before making an offer. Even so, seeing the name 1968 Firebird Convertible attached to a 4-digit price tag is enough to grab anyone's attention. Car number 2, 1967 Ford Falcon Futura, $2,100. Next up is this 1967 Ford Falcon Futura from Wentworth, South Dakota. It comes with a 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine, an automatic transmission, and just over 38,000 original miles. The seller says the car spent more than 25 years sitting outside, but it still runs and drives. Most of the rust appears to be on the surface, and nearly everything inside the car still works. For just over $2,000, this Falcon could become a very interesting project. Car number 3, 1967 Cadillac Fleetwood, $1,500. Here's a lot of luxury for not much money. This 1967 Cadillac Fleetwood is listed for only $1,500 in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. The car is powered by a massive 429 V8, and the seller says the engine runs. The roof and trunk need attention, but most of the body appears to be solid, and the original glass and trim are still there. The biggest drawback is the missing title, but there's definitely potential here. Car number 4, 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air, $3,500. This 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door comes from Rockwood, Michigan, and looks like a great project for the right buyer. The car doesn't currently have an engine, but it does come with a 3-speed transmission and replacement floor panels. According to the seller, some bodywork has already been completed. With fresh paint and the right engine under the hood, this Bel Air could eventually become a fantastic cruiser. Car number 5, 1966 Ford F-100 for $4,000. We'll finish part 1 with this 1966 Ford F-100 from Stockton, Illinois. It features a 352 V8 engine backed by a 3-speed manual transmission, and the seller says it runs well. Several replacement parts are included, along with extra doors and front fenders. If you're searching for an affordable classic pickup truck with plenty of potential, this F-100 might be worth adding to your list. Car number 6, 1969 Chevrolet CST-10, $3,000. We're starting part 2 with this 1969 Chevrolet CST-10 short bed pickup from Perry, Kansas. Under the hood is a 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The seller says the truck ran before being parked, but it has been sitting for some time. Even so, the short bed fleet side body style makes this an appealing restoration project. For $3,000, there's definitely plenty of potential here. Car number 7, 1950 Chevrolet Sedan, $1,600. Next is this 1950 Chevrolet Sedan from Florence, Kentucky. The seller says the car comes as a rolling chassis, which means there's no engine or transmission included. The good news is that the glass is still intact, and the vehicle comes with a clean title. This isn't a quick project, but for someone who enjoys building classic cars from the ground up, it could be a great foundation. Car number 8, 1951 Ford Shoebox, $4,000. This 1951 Ford Shoebox is another interesting project. The seller originally planned to turn it into a gasser, but eventually decided to focus on other projects. The body appears to be solid, with only minimal rust, and plenty of original parts are included. A low-mileage 5.4-liter Ford engine also comes with the car, although a transmission will still be needed. If you're a fan of custom builds, this one offers a lot of possibilities. Car number 9, 1968 Pontiac LeMans, $4,000. Here's a 1968 Pontiac LeMans project from Glen Flora, Wisconsin. The seller had planned to transform it into a GTO tribute car, but never completed the work. The original engine and transmission are included, although the engine will need to be rebuilt. According to the seller, the body is complete and only the floor pan and trunk require significant repairs. For Pontiac enthusiasts, this could be a rewarding project.
Car number 10, 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air, $5,000. We'll finish part 2 with this 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air from North English, Iowa. The car is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. The seller says it starts and runs, and it recently received new brakes, a new battery, and new shocks. With its classic styling and simple mechanical design, this Bel Air looks ready for many more miles on the road.
Car number 11, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $3,250. We're starting part 3 with a first-generation Mustang from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Even though the listing title says 1966, the seller identifies the car as a 1965 model. It features a numbers-matching 289 V8 and factory air conditioning, which is a great combination. The engine turns freely, but the car doesn't currently run and will need to be towed. There's also some rust in the floor and no title, but considering the price, this Mustang could still be a very interesting project.
Car number 12, 1963 Chrysler Imperial Crown Coupe, $1,800. Next up is an extremely rare 1963 Chrysler Imperial Crown Coupe from Detroit, Michigan. According to the seller, only 1,067 examples were produced. The 413 V8 isn't currently running, and the interior and rear body sections need extensive work. However, the car remains largely complete, and rare luxury cars like this don't appear very often. For the right collector, this could be an exciting restoration project.
Car number 13.
A nice little 61 Chevrolet Corvair. Look at that.
$1961 Chevrolet Corvair, $3,950. This 1961 Chevrolet Corvair is another affordable classic that stands out because of its unusual engineering. Like other Corvairs, the air-cooled flat-six engine is mounted in the rear. The seller says the car is fun to drive, attracts attention everywhere it goes, and is ready for the road. Finished in red with matching wheels, this little coupe definitely has plenty of charm.
Car number 14, 1965 Dodge Custom 880, $5,000. Here's a beautiful 1965 Dodge Custom 880 from New Baltimore, Michigan. The seller says the original paint is still on the car, while the 383 big block V8 is backed by a rebuilt transmission. New brakes, new tires, and a new fuel tank have also been installed. For anyone who appreciates full-size American cars from the 1960s, this looks like a fantastic cruiser. Car number 15, 1955 Chevrolet 210, price on request. We'll finish the list with this classic 1955 Chevrolet 210 from Clayton, Indiana. The seller says the car runs and drives perfectly and is powered by a dependable 235 inline-six connected to a 3-speed manual transmission. Much of the car remains original, preserving the timeless style that made the 1955 Chevrolet so famous. Whether you keep it original or customize it, it's easy to understand why these cars remain so popular today.
So, which one would you choose? The Mustang, the Bel Air, the Firebird, the Fleetwood, or maybe the rare Imperial Crown? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoy classic cars for sale, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more hidden automotive gems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.